adobo at ang ating ginagawang sisig, oh. Ayan.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade.
Ayan, welcome again sa kusina ni Alindog. Ayan, ang ating kusinang magulo at malinggit. Today vlog, or we're doing it again, or we're cooking up fork, adobo, and sisig fork. Ayan guys, mga kalindog, I bought 1.5 kilo of fork. Ayan, but it's too much and too big. You know, I'm old already. I'm scared eating too much fork. So ayan, kaya let's divide into two. Ayan. This one is I'm going to make I'm going to cook adobo, and this one is I try to make sisig. Oh my god, I love sisig. So this is my first time I'm doing the sisig because I saw in YouTube. Well, actually I'm the one who gonna eat it, so we will try it, guys. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you're always notified with my new video. So ayan guys, pakita ko sa inyo mga kalindog ang ating fork na binili o pork na gagawin nating adobo with sisig. There we go mga kalindog. Ayan. O diba ang very fat niya, ang taba-taba. Ito ang gagawin nating fork adobo. Ayan, para sa ating jowa. At ito naman ang ating gagawin. Small lang mga kalindog. I-try ko lang. Ito ang gagawin nating sisig. So first, ilalaga natin siya, and then, ayan, gawin natin yung matrabahong sisig. And this one is very easy, no? Adobo, you know, is very easy to make it or to cook it. So ayan mga kalindog, let's do it! Guys, ang ating gagawin sisig, I put some laurel, ayan, leaves ng laurel, and of course, ayan ang onion, at lagyan natin ng konting asin. So first, we're going to boil it first, mga 30 minutes po. And then we're going to fry it. Ayan guys, isa-isahin natin ang ating mga pork. O diba? 1 into 2 ang ating lulutuin for today. So let's go guys, mga kalindog. Ayan, I sleep good today. So ayan, kaya very masigla ako, no? So, charot! Kalindog, it's rather cook outside than here inside kasi when I cook here or boiling here, the pork, ayan, nagmo-moisture or my window is moisture. So, kasi it's winter, so kaya it's not easy to cook here or boiling inside the house. Kaya dito tayo sa labas mag-boiling at magluto, guys. At saka ang adobo is too much smell. Ayan, kaya dito ako nagluluto outside. Ayan mga kalindog. So we're going to boiling here mga kalindog ang ating sisig. So ayan, I show you. Let's wait 30 minutes. Ayan, even my kalan or my hair is too much dirty. But anyway, it's okay. So let's wait 30 minutes to boil here. Lutuin na natin mga kalindog ang ating adobo naman. Ayan, ang ating adobo fork. Ayan. Of course, kailangan natin ng pat. Ayan. Dito natin igigisa ang ating sibuyas at bawang at dito natin lulutuin ang ating adobo. So, ayan mga kalindog. Let's start na. Let's go outside. Hindi tayo pwede magluto dito because a little bit smelly. So, let's go outside mga kalindog. Doon tayo magluto. Come on. Ayan, mga kalindog, because it's cold. It's winter, so we need a jacket. Ayan, no? Para we're not getting sick. Ayan, be careful. Ayan, kailangan nating mag-jacket while cooking outside. Ayan guys, yung ating pinapakulong gagawing sisig. And here we're going to cook yung ating adobo. Ayan. Let's start na. Guys, let's make gisa na di bawang. And of course, ayan ang ating sibuyas. Diba? So, there we go mga kalindog. Isa lang natin ang ating sibuyas at bawang para sa adobo pork. Ayan, let's wait. Wait lang natin ng 5 minutes. Ayan mga kalindog. I think the onion is already. So ngayon, let's put na the pork. Ayan ang ating pork adobo. Let's make this soft and malambot. Charot. So ayan mga kalindog. Ha? I think my baboy is so big, no? Laki ng gayat ko. But anyway, better like that. Palambutin natin siya. Let's wait hanggang maging watering siya. Ayan. Laki ng mga hiwa. Ayan guys, let's wait only mag-watering siya. Ayan naman ang ating gagawing sisig. Ayan, almost done na siya, no? So let's keep the pork. Ayan, mga kalindog. Ayan, ready na ba tayo or kayo sa ating gagawing sisig? Oh my God. I love it. Hindi natin maikot. Wait, mga kalindog. Baboy, why don't you make ikot? So there we go. Ayan guys. So mga 2 minutes more. So ayan mga kalindog ang ating adobo at ang ating ginagawang sisig oh. Ayan. So let's wait na lang. Ang ating sisig. Naku, hindi ko na binidyohan, no time. So ayan guys, ang ating sisig na niluto. Oh my God, hindi ko na nabidyohan. I'm so sorry. Naging busy ako guys, mga kalindog. Ayan ang ating sisig. Let's taste na natin, okay? Taste na natin. Oh my God. With the brown rice. Yummy. So guys, yummy. Ang ating sisig with the brown rice. Di ba? So ayan mga kalindog. At least na-try ko ang sisig. Ayan, because I never eat this. It's very fatty. I'm scared. But anyway, ayan. Perfect and good. Ayan, so. Yummy. Already my sisig. Nawalan ako sa pagbibideo. Sorry guys. Ayan mga kalindog. Ang sarap ng sisig. Very nice taste. Ayan guys. Ang ating naman mga kalindog. Ang ating adobo is almost done. Ayan. Pakita ko sa inyo ha. Mga kalindog. Ang ating adobo. So ayan. Gusto ko ng may sabaw. Kasi mahilig ako sa sabaw. Especially ang aking ayan. Jaworski. So ayan mga kalindog. Almost. Ang ating adobo fork. So, let's enjoy. Guys, done our adobo. O diba, yummy. Ang sarap. Ayan guys, let's see tomorrow if I can eat with rice. So, diba? Yummy. So guys, there we go. Ayan ang ating adobo na niluto kahapon. There we go. Ayan mga kalindog, oh look at this, oh diba, mga taba, ay so hot, ayan mga kalindog, diba, yummy, ang ating adobo. So ayan guys, kay mukbang natin, of course, meron tayong one of banana. Diba tayong mga Pinoy, or we are Filipino, when eating some rice with adobo, we always make a second plate like that. Oh, it's like a ulam. So, ayan guys. Let's eat na. Let's make mukbang. Ayan. So, ayan guys ha. This is what I cooked yesterday. And of course, yung sisig. Oh my God. So yummy. Ang sarap, promise. Ayan mga kalindog. At tikman natin ang ating taba. Great. So, so ayan guys, ang sarap ng ating adobo. So let's say hi to Cecil. And Cecil, nasaan ka na? I miss you. Hindi na kita nakita. What's wrong? Anong nangyari sa'yo, Cecil? Ayan, hi to Cecil. Ang ating good friend, of course, si Katropang at si Annalyn Berico. Thank you, Annalyn. Ayan ang ating si Bakerstock, si Court, and si Daniel. Ayan, thank you all. So ayan guys, let's eat also the banana. Ang sarap. Kevin, of course, Jason, and Justin. Oh, hi. Ayan. If I forget somebody, I'm sorry guys, ha? Ayan, ang sarap, mga kalindog. Diba? Life is too short, mga kalindog. We need to enjoy our life. But, ayan, mga kalindog, eat moderately, okay? So, guys, thank you for watching. I hope did you enjoy my video for today. Ayan guys, don't forget to smile. Thank you for watching how to cook or to do my sisig and adobo. I'm sorry the video for the sisig. Next time I'm going to make this sisig video, okay? So guys, thank you for watching. I hope did you enjoy my video. Ayan, don't forget to smile. Bye guys. I need to finish my food. Bye. I love you all.